The biggest snowstorm in years couldn't keep these anti-abortion protesters away from Washington. Tens of thousands participated in the annual March for Life, even after the U.S. Supreme Court ruled more than a year ago that abortions are no longer protected by the federal Constitution. About 24 states have since banned or severely restricted abortions. But in the remaining other half of the country, abortions remain legal.
I believe the heartbeat in a fetus starts at around the 3rd or 4th week, which is pretty early on, which is a beautiful thing. But many states still allow abortions before that.
The anti-abortion marchers say the Supreme Court delivered them a half win. Now they want Congress to give them full victory by banning abortions across the country.
Reproductive rights are important, but when reproductive rights impede the rights of the unborn human, then they shouldn't be allowed.
They are animated. There are many gathered here. But in the United States, people who want to ban abortions are actually in the minority. Polls show more than 60% of Americans think abortions should be legal in all or most cases, and that split will likely play a major role in this year's presidential elections.
President Joe Biden and the Democratic Party hope their voters will turn out in support of reproductive rights, much as they did in the last midterm elections. While Republican frontrunner Donald Trump became a hero to the anti-abortion movement when he appointed conservative Supreme Court justices who delivered on his promise to overturn Roe v. Wade.
You would support him again?
300%.
He has said, though, that he has not endorsed a national ban on abortion, though. Are you disappointed by that?
I think it's coming.
Republican lawmakers have increasingly shied away from a national abortion ban for fear of alienating voters. That's left anti-abortion activists with an uphill battle and a new stated mission: to change American culture to make abortion unthinkable and illegal across the country. Heidi Zhou-Castro, Al Jazeera, Washington.
Make sure to subscribe to our channel to get the latest news from Al Jazeera.